This is investing in the Rockies. So the inevitable has happened. It started to rain. Crank it up.
Nice.
Like that one? Say hello to YouTube.
Oh, hi.
So, just got down to the beach here and it's absolutely gorgeous, as you can see. Ice cold beers on tap. Tunes are good, and there looks like there's a few parties going around. The girls next door just told us to crank it up, so we cranked it up. Campsite's just like a 2-minute walk that way. We're laughing, we're set, here we go. Strap yourselves in, party time, holiday time. Yippa! Give us a wiggle. Give us a wiggle. So I'm thinking of doing something mental here. I'm thinking of taking my GoPro into the water for the first ever time. They're waterproof and all that, but still something weird about bringing electronics into the water. Like, it's like a mindset. Like, you have to get over the mindset that they're like, I could go swimming with this thing and dunk it under the water, and it's going to be sweet. But I don't know. I've had it 3 months now and it hasn't went into the water. But I think today's the day. But yeah, we'll take it into this lake here, and it's pretty cold as well as the other thing, so I don't think I'll be in there too long. Like, I'll not be going for a proper dip, but I'll get in and see what the crack is, sure. Shout out to Timo, by the way. Last time I got my top off on the camera and stuck it on a vlog, he was like, Compston, you've been on a bit of weight, so you have. And then everyone was kind of like, well, I was like, cheers T, and everyone was like, geez, that's a bit harsh T. He was like, it's only a bit of constructive criticism, he called it. Stick your constructive criticism with a sun, don't shy, T. Love you, mate. Hope you're doing well. By the way, T, you're looking well. See, you've lost a bit of weight yourself. Now you're dishing out the insults. But anyway, we're getting in this water here. It's freezing. Don't want to drop the GoPro. That's the last thing I want to do. Oh. I'm definitely soft. Like, people just get in this water and they don't even look like they're struggling. Woo! That's always a hard bit there. Oh! Woo! Take it. Take here does. Alright, I'm gonna go in there. Oh, hold on. I'm gonna pee first. Oh, that'll warm me up. It's the wind as well, it's so windy. And I just want to say, if you made it this far in this vlog and you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure you smash that like button and hit subscribe for much more content. This is investing in the Rockies. Woo! Happy enough with that. To be honest, you do get used to it. The bottom half's already used to it. My GoPro, after all that, my GoPro actually never even went into the water. I just kind of held it above the water. Oh, oh. So fluffy. So, as you can see, we just got the fire going. Gonna get something to eat now and chill out. What's happening? I just thought I'd give a quick update as to how the night's going. We're just sitting by the fire having a couple of drinks. We're gonna sit here, let the fire burn out, I've literally not even got a jacket on, it's that warm. Look at this fire, it's hot coals. There's nothing like just sitting on the fire. Leah's a legend. She's now the light girl. She's holding a light against me here.
Let me see.
But here, I'll flick the light. I'll show you our wee setup. So here's our wee table. We've got our phone, our speaker, hand cream, lip cream, bug spray. Though we don't really need the bug spray anymore. Say hi, Leah.
Hello.
But yeah, this is our wee setup. Tent's over there. There's the tent. And yeah, we're just gonna sit here, have a few more beers, let the fire burn out, and then hit the tent for the night. I'll give you an update in the morning from the tent. Take it easy. Night night, everyone. So what's happening YouTube? First morning of our camp trip here. Just had a coffee in bed, thanks to Leah. Thanks very much, Leah. Just a wee Starbucks instant coffee, but here to do the job. Leah's got working away on the breakfast here. Let's show you what's for breakfast. Up some red onion. What are these here? Peppers. And we got a nice sourdough loaf that we're gonna cut up. We've got eggs and stuff. Free-range eggs, mushrooms. So yeah, once it's all cooked up, I'll show you what the end result looks like for breakfast. And it seems to be a beautiful morning here. That smells great. So we got the cherry tomatoes and the mushrooms and all on in there, all sweating out. I'd just like to point out this cheese. Guys put me onto this cheese. I didn't realise you could get it here. So cheese in Canada, firstly it's really expensive, and secondly it doesn't taste nice at all. It's like rubbery. It's like not Leah's laughing, but it isn't nice, isn't it? Not it's alright, like, but it's not like the cheese we're used to growing up back home. Like, it's cheaper and it's more creamier. The cheese out here is a bit rubbery, isn't it? Leah's just used to eating all that there shite cheese, but like all that craft cheese and all, come in these big blocks. It's just, yeah, but whatever. So Gareth put me on this here. It's like $9 for a pretty small packet, but it is worth every dollar. Kerry Gold. This here's the proper cheese. Tastes exactly like back home. That's what we're talking about. Worth the extra few dollars every day of the week. So here we have the finished product. 2 big thickly cut pieces of sourdough bread that were toasted with butter, 2 eggs with the Irish cheese, and then a load of pan fried onion, mushroom, tomatoes and peppers, and a bit of that there sriracha sauce all over it. Bon appetit. So the inevitable has happened. It started to rain. The weather forecast was calling for rain pretty much all day and night, and it started, and the clouds just looks like rain clouds everywhere you look. So we were able to set up this tarp. Big shout out to Ford Joe McGarty. They give us this tarp when they left. So tarp's absolutely huge. We're just sort of huddled under it, as you can see here. I'm gonna do a bit of YouTube editing now, and yeah, fingers crossed the tent doesn't get too wet. As you can see, there's a lot of water dripping sort of off the tent. Let's just hope it drips off the tent and not into the tent. But yeah, here we are. We'll do what we do best and make the absolute most of things. Still gonna get a fire going. The fire's pretty close to the tarp, so we can bring our chairs close to the fire and still get a fire on the go. So we upgraded our tarp by putting a big stick underneath it. Well, Leah did. Thanks, Leah. Leah also lit the fire. Thank you very much, Leah. So we've got it going. So yeah, as Camping with Steve would say, shout out Camping with Steve, we're hunkering down for the evening, and we're going to get a few step 2s in the go. If you watch Camping with Steve, you'll know what a step 2 is, and a step 2, Leah's actually already on the step 2s here. She's on her vodka cherry. I'm going to crack open a Corona. This is Campfire cooking by investing in the Rockies. What do we got here, Leah?
Carrots, salmon, and then potatoes.
Carrots, salmon, potatoes. steak to be cooked as well, so I'll show you what the finished product looks like in a minute. Wow, just wow. This is incredible. The potatoes have thyme all through it, the carrots have butter all through it, so does the asparagus, and the steak is so juicy, look at it. And of course, washed down by yours truly. I'm going to enjoy this. I'll show you Leah's salmon whenever it's ready here. Leah's salmon flavoured with lots of thyme, potatoes, carrots and asparagus. Toasty fire. Here we go.